Hi guys, what's good? What's popping? It's your girl Bhavna back with another exciting video. I know it's been long. I know. I'm so sorry for being MIA. At this point, you guys won't even accept my apology.
I know you guys are upset with me. I'm sorry, yaar.
I'm just trying to be consistent here on YouTube. Also, coming to today's video, which has also been procrastinated since a very long time, and finally I just made up my mind. I was like, this is high time that I should film this haul video for you guys. If not, I'm just not gonna forgive myself. So today's video is all about my Beauty Bay haul, which I purchased during the Black Friday sale. I have purchased quite a few products which are in this orange container. I'll talk you guys through all of these products. I've got great deals on all of these makeup products and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get into the video now. Alright, so first things first, ignore my hair. Like, I didn't even style my hair. This is how my natural hair looks like, okay? Yeah, dry, dead and dehydrated, just like me. Alright, so let's start off with the ordinary products that I picked up. Okay, before getting into the video, so many of y'all actually asked me if Beauty Bay is a trustworthy website to purchase makeup from. So this is the second time that I purchased makeup off of Beauty Bay. The first time that I purchased was for XL Pro Carnival eyeshadow palette. So it was really good and I had a great experience with it. I mean, there are pages which sell authentic products on Instagram, but they actually sell the makeup for exorbitant prices, and that I think if you purchase it directly from the website, it'll cost you lesser. So I don't know, it's just my personal choice. It's up to you guys. I am just here to show you my purchases and talk for myself. Let me talk about the customs duty that costed me for this purchase. If I tell you, you guys will just probably not believe me, but trust me, they didn't charge me any customs. I don't know. I mean, when I purchased the XL Pro Carnival eyeshadow palette, actually costed me customs. They charged some 1800 or 1500, I don't remember, but they did charge customs. But this time I purchased so much makeup, I thought customs would be really high. This time when I purchased, I was really skeptical when I got a call that my parcel was arriving. I was really scared, like, Abhi, customs, I need to pay and stuff like that. Even the delivery person was shook, so he had to go to the office again and recheck with them if the customs weren't applied on this parcel. So yeah, I wasn't charged any customs on this parcel, guys. I'm not even kidding, and I'm so happy for that. And on top of that, I got all of these products for a great deal. So now I can only speak for myself because I don't know why I didn't get charged with customs, but I think if I purchase anything later, I am so sure that I will be charged with customs. I don't know if it's because of the Black Friday sale or whatever it is, but thank God that I didn't get charged customs this time. Alright, so let's start off with the ordinary products that I picked up. So I have been using the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I absolutely love it and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna need a backup. So I picked up the ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I picked up this Hyaluronic Serum for 507 rupees. And then I also picked up the 10% niacinamide plus 1% zinc serum, and this costed me around 446 rupees. Yes. Alright guys, so I picked up 3 products from the Suva Beauty range. First things first, I picked up the Suva Hydra liner. Now I have been in a hunt for white eyeliner since forever now, and I finally found this one. I have used it already. So you get a white eyeliner here and a black eyeliner here. So I thought it's easy for me to, like, you know, carry it somewhere if I want. So yeah, I picked up this one. I think this costed me around 700 rupees. I don't know if there was an off on this or I just picked it up. Next step, we have the Suva UV Brights and the Suva UV Taffies. By the way, this was on an off. I think the original price was around like 1500 or 1200. I don't really remember, but I got each for 900 rupees. So let's open UV UV Brights right now. Alright, so you get a mirror and you get 5 different shades with a brush as well. This brush is actually really precise. So these are the shades, you guys. So beautiful. I haven't used this palette yet. I am waiting to use this palette. I have few looks planned in my mind, so I'm definitely gonna use this palette. And then next we have the UV Taffies. So this is more of like a neonish shade range. Again, you have a brush. I've actually used the neon shade. Same packaging again, you get a mirror and these are the shades. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Also, they glow during the night. So I actually haven't tried it yet, but I have only tried this neon shade. It was so good. And yeah, I just cannot wait to play with these palettes, guys. Alright, so Makeup Revolution had a sale going on, so I had to pick up something. So I picked up this Revolution Eyebrow Gel. Now this is a clear brow gel. It's a basic brow gel. I'm actually going to use it right now. Alright, the wand is very thin. It's nice, you know, like you can set your brow hair nicely. Not that I don't have eyebrow mascaras, but I think I got this for like what, 140 or 200 rupees. So I was like, chalo koi nahi. So yeah, I picked this one up. And then next step, I picked up the Revolution Eye Glisten liquid eyeshadow. Look at that, you guys. Like, what? Yeah, I picked this one for 345 rupees. Again, on and off. Let me actually swatch it for you guys. So I'm gonna swatch this side first. Look at that, you guys. I am not sure if you guys can see how blinding this looks. And now let me swatch the glitter side for you guys. This is the glitter side and this is the satin side. I don't think the glitter is swatching well, but yeah, it's straight up glitter, guys. Like, I just cannot wait to use this. It looks so pretty. I'm so sure it would look absolutely flattering for a dinner date or for a dinner date with your girls. Okay, so next step, I picked up the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Bomb Gloss and this was for 290 rupees. It looks so freaking good. Damn, this looks so good, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but almost feels like the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I haven't used the Fenty Gloss Bomb, but this actually resembles that. I would majorly recommend you guys to pick up this product if you are thinking of getting anything from Beauty Bay. And this is in the shade Daydream. I have been into glosses these days because they look so elegant. They just look so classy. I know that glosses can be a headache with long hair, but I think they look absolutely stunning, so I don't care. Alright guys, so next step, I picked up the Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Rose Kiss. So this is what it looks like and I got this for around 260 rupees, I guess. So yeah, look at that, it looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, I picked this one up from the Makeup Revolution range. Alright, so we are just left with 2 products and 2 iconic products. So yeah, I'm gonna save this for the end because I have a lot of talking to do about this product because you know I love Nikki tutorials. Next step, I picked up this BH Cosmetic Weekend Vibes Bellini 6 color blush palette and this is what the outer packaging looks like. Can you just look at those shades? I am not sure if the camera is able to do justice, but these are all the peachy tone shades that I will ever need. You also get a mirror and yeah, I'm actually gonna apply a shade. I think I'm gonna apply Peach of Cakes. Damn, this looks so good, you guys. I love blush. If you guys don't know me, I absolutely love using blush because I don't know, I think it just makes me look alive and fresh. I love all the shades, guys. I think from lighter peach to darker peach, you have all different kinds of peachy tone blush shades. I think I picked this one on an off for 989 rupees. I'm not sure, but around 900 rupees. As I told you guys, there was an off going on, so I picked this one up. It's good to shop while there are really great deals. So Black Friday was one. All right. Are you guys ready for the last reveal? Last but not the least is the Terra Beauty Bay X Nikki Tutorials collab. I have been waiting to get my hands on this. No, I didn't purchase this product with this set of product. My mom actually gifted this palette to me for my birthday, but I picked this up during the Black Friday sale. Matlab, I ordered this before, not with these, so I was charged customs on this product. However, I don't really remember how much they charged me. I think around like 1200 rupees. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I couldn't let go of this palette because especially when she told that this was a limited edition palette, I had to. Like, you guys don't know how much I love Nikki Tutorials because she actually made me believe that you can do wonders on hooded eyes, because she has hooded eyes. I used to always wonder how these beauty influencers would blend eyeshadows on lids and it would actually show up, while when I did the same, it would like hide underneath my hood, and I couldn't figure out why. I didn't know about hooded eyes, but Nikki Tutorials was the one to enlighten me about hooded eyes, and you can do wonders on hooded eyes because she has hooded eyes. Look at the packaging, it looks absolutely stunning, very playful, very colorful, just like how she is. So you get two mirrors here. One is a magnifying mirror and one is a usual like normal mirror, but look at the shades, y'all. I mean, so stunning. I have actually used this palette once and I absolutely loved it. She mentioned that this is a pressed pigment eyeshadow palette, but I don't really mind. I love the shades, and yeah, I absolutely think this palette resembles her because she loves playing with colors. As much as I like to keep it neutral, I think I love playing with colors. I absolutely approve this palette, and if you are a Nikki fan, what are you doing? You have to get this palette. I don't know if it's still available. I got mine and I'm so happy that I did. I think this palette on the whole is absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to create more and more and more looks for you guys. And that's it for today's haul, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. All of these products are very useful for me if you don't wear makeup on a daily basis, or if you're not a makeup content creator or something. I don't think you would need these products. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys have any doubts regarding the customs or how it works, how I order stuff, you can totally DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description. If you guys don't know, you can follow me there because I post every single day over there, so I'm very active on Instagram. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you all liked it. I love you guys so much. I missed you all so much, miss talking to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.